What is passive income? Passive income is earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprise in which a person is not actively involved. As with active income, passive income is usually taxable. However, it is often treated differently by the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). UITF Gcash. What is UITF? UITF is a pool of investments funded by various investors. You can think of it as a basket with different fruits. One basket may contain mangoes, the other with pineapples, and a third basket contains a combination of two fruits. In the case of a trust fund, various holdings, instead of fruits, make up the investment. As with a fruit basket wherein you can decide which fruits to buy, professional fund managers handle and manage the holdings of UITFs. Since these professionals actively manage the fund, once you have set them up, you can sit back, relax, and make your money work for you. How do I earn from UITF? Stock price increase. Your UITF will earn money when the company shares you invested in increase price. Dividend. This is a sum of money that a company gives to its shareholders out of its profits. Bonds. What is Gcash? Gcash is a BSP regulated mobile money service that lets you buy, load, purchase items, send and receive money, pay bills, and more using your globe or trademark mobile number. Imagine your wallet being inside your phone, and you get to buy more and spend less. Download Gcash app. Links are at the description. Prepare a valid ID for verification. Open the app. Tap Show More. Then invest. View investment product. Choose ATRAM. What is ATRAM? ATRAM Peso Money Market Fund is an open-end unit trust incorporated in the Philippines. The fund aims to maximize income and preserve capital. The fund invests in deposit products of banks, debt obligations and domestic fixed income instruments.